You don't even know how incredibly useful baking soda can be to your garden or flowers. We all know what baking soda is. This extremely useful ingredient has a long list of health benefits and uses. Well, we can easily say that baking soda is one of the most useful ingredients in every house. This extremely useful ingredient is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Note, baking soda is a type of salt which becomes activated once it gets in contact with an acid. We are going to show you some baking soda uses which you've probably never heard of. A lot of people around the world don't know that they can solve many gardening problems with this simple but powerful ingredient. Flowers. Note, if you have any flowers that need an alkalized soil like begonias and hydrangea, you can mix a teaspoon of baking soda into water and use it to water the flowers. This powerful mixture will help your flowers and plants grow and blossom much better and much faster. Ants. It's very simple. You just have to pour some baking soda on the ant hill. After half an hour, add some vinegar and the ants will die. You will be amazed by the results. Snails. Did you know that this powerful ingredient can help you get rid of your snails fast? Yes, and this remedy is very simple to make. You just have to grab a little bit of baking soda and pour it over the snails. Note, but you should be very careful and don't put too much soda over the leaves. Pots. Note, before you fill your pots with soil, make sure you add a thin layer of baking soda on the walls of the pot. This will keep your plants fresh for longer. You should definitely try this simple but an effective trick. Fungi. It's very simple. You just have to mix 4 teaspoons of baking soda with 4 liters of water and you'll get your own homemade fungi remover for your plants. You will be amazed by the results. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do not forget to check out more videos which will appear shortly.